Do you have a pain in the neck right now? I actually do. A couple weeks ago, I slept on my neck funny and it's still sore weeks later. So it's a perfect time to show you my Qigong routine for the neck. And you might have more severe neck pain, and I feel for you and I understand. These are very gentle, simple ways that you can begin to work the tension, the stiffness in your neck. Always don't push through any pain. Go less than the pain and just go slow, breathe naturally, breathe through it, and try this routine and keep coming back to this routine, and you'll feel that the pain subsides a little bit, the stiffness subsides a little bit as well. Let's check it out. Sitting at the edge of your chair, just imagine a string pulling your head up. Lower your shoulders, take a deep breath, and relax. You'll be breathing mostly in and out of your nose. So just breathe naturally, go slow, and drop your head down very slowly, as low as you can without any pain, and then bring it back up, and as far back as you can. Just go slow. You don't have to go all the way back. Take your time going down. And then you'll make your way back up, taking your time, feeling into your body. And don't rush things. Really stretch things out gently, taking your time to go down as low as you can. Let things go all the way down, and then slowly bring it up, going as far back as you can. Easing into it and breathing and bringing it to the middle. To now go left and right. Nice and slow. Just take your time. Use your eyes to guide you as far left as you can. Holding for just a little second. Back to the middle and to the right. Going as far as you can before there's any pain. Just opening things. Use your breath to either breathe naturally or exhaling to one side and inhaling to the middle. Just take your time. You're not on any automatic track here. How about one more time, left and right? Think about opening the areas rather than pushing. Loosen the areas rather than stretching too far. We'll come back to the middle and we'll do this fun one where we try to touch your right ear to your right shoulder and look up. Obviously, your ear will not touch. Back to the middle and the center, and then try to touch your left ear to your left shoulder, focused on the opposite part of your neck being stretched. Take your time as you go to each side. Breathe into the stretches, look up. And let's go one more time to the right side, taking your time to get down, breathing into it, opening things up, not forcing, and the other side, getting a little bit more mobility each time. Then back to the center, and now we'll go down again, just to do a half circle around the bottom half. So starting on whatever side, make a half circle, not going all the way back. Just a half circle around the bottom. Should feel very gentle. Just going up and back, nice and slow. like a swing set. And now go all the way around the back, but very gentle, and do a half circle only around the back. It's much easier to do these half circles than very wide full circles. So be easy, you don't have to go all the way back, but do what's comfortable, half circles around the back. Breathe as it feels natural. And coming back to the center position, we're going to drop the head again and do what I call a 5-second hold in each part of the circle. So tilt to one side just a few inches and hold it for about 5 seconds. It's a quick 5 seconds. And then tilt around the circle to another little part and hold it for about 5 seconds. Tilt another inch or two back and hold. And keep going around at a very small increment, holding for a quick 5 count. You're just taking your time getting around. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on to the next area. Nice and slow to get to each section and hold. Feel into each section. There's no rush to get all the way around. Being aware of the opposite part of your neck as you hold and breathe. Working your way around to get to where we started. Taking your time. And when you get back down to right where you started eventually, guess what? We'll go in the opposite direction. A little bit at a time only. Hold each section for about a 5 count. At your own pace. There's no right way to do this. Just continue to breathe. Stretch gently. Don't force. Make adjustments. And hold each section for a quick 5 count. Take your time. And returning to where you started, we'll raise your head up again. Nice and easy to do these very small circles of the head. I like to call it a bobble head. Your head is still pulling upwards on the string, therefore you can't really make these rotations too deep. Just breathe through it. You can inhale around the back, you can exhale around the front. Very small neck rotations. And then I want you to turn to one front corner. So you can turn to the left front corner and still go in the same direction. So it's just getting different parts of your neck. Again, it's like a bobblehead. It's not a large circle, it's just a small rotation. Inhale around the back and exhale around the front even, or just breathe naturally. And now turn slightly to the front right corner, still going in the same direction, and continue the neck rotation. Please just feel into it for yourself. There's no need to copy what I'm doing. I'm just a guide. Feel this small bobblehead type rotation. It's very gentle. Even though you're going all the way around, back to the center. And guess what? We'll go in the opposite direction, just facing forward. Please remember the string pulling your head up, causing you not to dip your neck too much down or back, making it a very small circle. And then how about going towards the right front corner, continuing the direction you're going in. Inhaling back, exhaling forward through the nose. And the other front left corner, just targeting various areas of the neck, still with a small circle. Coming back to the front, I'd like you to put your hands behind you, but still keep your shoulders low. Drop your head down and just tilt it as if you're looking over a cliff and looking at the water below, tilting to the left side and tilting to the right side, but still keeping your eyes down as if you're looking for some beautiful animals in the sea. Looking over that cliff, feeling the muscles surrounding the back of your neck and the side of your neck stretch. Inhaling and exhaling. Do what feels natural. Feel into the side muscles. Keep your shoulders low. And come back to the center and look up. And now we'll go into some Qigong movements. Sitting comfortably, just raise your hands up to palms facing down with some space under your armpits. You're going to rotate the entire arm to face away as you look left. And you're going to look down at your thumb. Down your shoulder and arm towards your thumb as it rotates back while keeping your chest facing forward, and then bring the hands in to palms facing down again, looking straight. Rotate the whole arm and the palm to try to face behind you and look over your right, down your right shoulder towards your thumb. Rotate the hand like a screwdriver to face, palms facing down again. This is from the 8 Brocades called The Wise Owl Turns Its Head. So turn and look down towards your thumb as you look left, and look back towards the center, and the same thing, looking right, rotating your entire arm and keeping your body facing forward. So it's a real opening of the torso and a turning of the neck. The eyes follow the thumbs, extend through all the fingertips, and just surrender, open. Engage the eyes as the neck turns now one final time to the right, looking at the thumb. Relax and open. As your hands go back down, I want you to push your left hand forward and bring your right hand to around your ribs. And extend forward with the left, pull back with the right, and now look over your right shoulder as far as you can. And then rotate your hands and look straight. Bring the left hand to your ribs, push the right hand forward. Pull back with the left, push forward with the right, and look left as far behind you as you can. Holding that, you take a deep inhale, switch the hands, push the left hand forward, pull the right hand to the ribs, and then look right. And hold that for a moment. Taking a big inhale. Switch the hands. Push the right hand forward, pull the left hand to the ribs, and slowly look as far behind you as you can. Stretching that neck, taking a big inhale. Switch the hands, pull the right hand, push the left hand. Exhale. Look right, all the way back. Hold it. Inhale. Switch the hands, pull and push through the center solar plexus area. Pushing the right hand, pulling the left to the ribs as you look left, and hold and stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Look right, take a big inhale and hold. Exhale, then inhale and exhale. And just let your hands float up and float down to close, bringing one hand over the other to rest on your lower abdomen. Center yourself, keep your mind in this area. Take a few deep breaths. And just imagine that part of your neck that feels most stiff and most in pain, filling up with a white healing light. Just send that white light into this area to release some of that stiffness and pain. Charging it up. Thanks for playing along today. Come back to this video over and over until your neck feels better. Well, I hope you enjoyed that and sort of turned it into a meditation. If you want to create your own routine out of just some of those movements, the ones that resonated with your pain the most, then do that. You can remember it. Just choose the movements you like, or of course come back to this whole video and just try to breathe deeply, breathe through any of the pain or stiffness, constantly relaxing things, not pushing through things, softening things, loosening things. Then you will see some improvement in your mobility and your pain over time. It's going to take time. There's no way around that, but this is a big complementary therapy for your pain. Enjoy that. Come back to this video. We'll see you on the next one.